Hello everyone. Today, we will import a brand object into Unity. This is a blood collection needle. I made a medical needle used in hospitals. To cut it in Unity, I left it unclouded here. I separated it into 3 parts: the needles, the collector, and the main body, and exported as an XML file and imported into Unity. I managed to import it, but it's turned into pitch black silhouette. I'll try applying some color. As I saw, it's still pitch black. After doing some research, I found out that there was no light hitting it. I tried adding a directional light. Now it just turned gray. It looked like the light is hitting it. As a test, I'll try coloring it. I create 3 new materials and assign colors randomly. It has color now. However, the colors look uneven. I spent hours adjusting it, but this was my limit. So, I'll temporarily give up on the green color scheme and focus first on making the blood sampling needle made. For now, I set the needle size to 23G. I try pressing the play button for now. It just takes a 3D-like shape. However, since I just imported it, it is currently treated the same as the prop or background. Next time, I'd like to implement a script on this blood sampling needle and try myself to see if it can successfully draw blood. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.